Hi, I'm Set One.
And I'm Moss, and today we're taking our first look at the Ableton Push 3. We've just got it and we've played around with it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, first things first, we've got a bunch of new features, new buttons, new interface, but biggest thing is that for me, we've got session view on the screen. So we can be playing notes and doing all that kind of stuff, while also triggering clips up here with this new jog wheel
Yeah,
as
it's
well,
game changer for the
which is
live
cool.
sort of stuff.
Yeah, and so taking a look at the pads to start with, we've got all new pads. They're so much more powerful. They've actually got 3 different axes of control. We've got like pressure, left and right, and then sliding up and down on the pads themselves can be actually mapped to control different things. I'm gonna trigger it from up here.
Yeah, great.
Kind of like the coloring
Yeah, cool.
kind of thing.
That's so handy, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's good. I have a go at this
Yeah. This is
great. Yeah, awesome. Feels great.
Yeah, so if you haven't picked it up already, Push 3 is its own sound card. It's its own sound card, MIDI hub. It's got 4 outs, 2 ins, and we can do a bunch of different things. It even has its own standalone functionality, which we'll probably make a whole different video on.
Yeah.
But I've got a microphone plugged in.
Check, check.
There he is. Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna go back. Let's just trigger a scene. What I can actually do is go and have a look straight at the clip here, and this is our recording. We can do this little button right here that says convert. We can convert it straight to simpler over here. And go and start slicing. I think if we move it from classic to slice mode, we can go and get the different transients, and play around with them like this.
Easily done. Yeah, okay, let's play that back in over this. Let's see what that's like.
Yeah, let's go back.
Like mouth drum?
Yeah, it's like
make
punch.
Yeah, I get it, yeah.
Wait, what was that? What did you press there? What was this?
This is the capture button that I'm loving. When I go to hit the recording button,
Yeah.
all the pressure becomes too much. So what I like to do is just sort of play around and then hit the capture button. Now I can just quickly quantize.
Yeah.
Yeah, so on and so forth.
Well, another cool thing that I was playing around with is actually pulling in like external devices.
Yeah.
I've got the Arturia drum brew here, and I like jammed out like a little pattern. So I'm gonna plug in just like the output and run it into the push, but then I'm gonna grab the MIDI as well.
I've
So
got MIDI,
yeah, I've got USB. We've got like different MIDI input sources in the back.
Damn.
Cool.
Yeah.
If I turn this down, there's the drums coming in.
Nice.
We just layer them in like underneath
Oh, great. Okay.
and keep it all going. Maybe pull in some other drum clips.
Yeah. That's fun. Yeah.
Mix it in.
Shit.
And
It's so crazy.
yeah.
I can't wait
been
to
fun.
pull all of these out and just be using it standalone. To be honest.
Exactly. It's crazy. Cool. Hey, well, thank you so much for tuning in. This is our first impression. I'm sure we're going to be making a bunch more videos of different things that we're constantly discovering. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, thank you.
See ya.